So Bolt is the right there. I'm Diann.
Okay.
Are you?
I gotta lose smell.
Are you gonna cut the sound?
Code for his interactions with folks. Is everybody okay if I take the dog off the leash?
Mm-hmm. Well, he better be on his best behavior, huh?
What?
He better be on his best behavior, huh?
So
come here.
I'm good with that.
Because so
I got you. I got you.
oh, Sergeant
and
Arnold.
Visit. I'm going to be doing a.
that's some good footage right there.
Invite civic leaders out to tour the aircraft.
I really wish she gave you this. Now, okay, now you got it. Now what?
I interviewed the PD, well, the
You already got your treat, yes.
oh, it's horrible.
Did you trim it?
Change it now. They're gonna change
Huh?
it.
My branch will still be.
I still have not seen your wife for taking him for lunch breaks.
Yeah. Thanks for rubbing that in.
Hey, actually asked you. So thank you. Everybody having a good summer? There's one that actually fixes now. Well, that's cute.
Oh, can I? You were talking about being fluffy. So I never touched it, but I took my old officer uniform out.
A little tight. A little taut.
It's a little tight. It's a little tight, but it's got the.
Super smart for getting out of patches.
I love things like dogs here.
Thank you. Great.
Hey,
That's very kind.
What are you sniffing?
He was homeless for a while.
What are you sniffing?
It's pretty cool.
You can tell him to sit and stuff.
Well, keep
And then shake.
All right.
My kids have taught him, let's see, how therapy dogs increase mental health service utilization.
They do.
Yeah, so we'll like do a case study like, and now Jen.
No.
Is a habit.
I have to refer you to my supervisor. He knows what changed you. Hollywood's changed you, man. You're a good doggers. And now I gotta wash my hands.
Oh, I had 3.
He's a good boy.
Trying to get
In fact, I just saved a cockapoo.
What are you doing, weirdo?
It wasn't the pound, but it was the.
Oh yeah. So I'm trying to remember.
Good boy. Good boy.
Did you make them?
No,
Yeah.
not that artistic.
You smell all my dogs on me.
Knoxville, Tennessee, just a video.
Oh.
Yeah. So what she didn't get is.
Yeah, I'm going Friday. I'm hauling another 5,000 pounds down to the lot.
He goes for your
we had a B model.
trash. Go visit Bolt.
Oh.
Bolt,
And,
visit.
I just got back
Bolt.
to the
How you
unit
doing?
section chief.
How are you?
Oh, you
Good.
got the trash now?
Hi, how you doing?
So it's 16
Cool.
feet across.
And I came from Palmer, so I came up there.
So the cabin's actually
Not knowing what to
there on the other side of
expect.
that.
I was like, you need to
Put that.
Let's visit every summer weekend, but yeah.
It will be, yeah.
To get a little shrimp on the way in and.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of work, but the intent is to be able to.
I lived in Rio Vista.
20-year tablets.
Oh, dude, I bass fish down there every day after work.
And literally drive a mile.
Yeah.
And I go sit under the
Outlet and
So,
a port.
no, that's not work. That's not the one.
That's not the one.
Okay.
This is what he uses as a template.
Okay.
They designed that one with the wrenches and everything on it.
That's funny. She could.
Yeah, that's what I'm
And I got a picture
It's funny, I left
Both hanging out in the sun out on the deck. Daisy and Lily.
Probably not verbal yet, are you?
Yeah, I think it's got 24/7 observation.
Okay, thank you. Nice gentle hands, thank you. There's a barbecue for the if you want to go to lunch.
Oh, I heard about that, yeah.
You already got your treat, yes.
Oh, it's horrible.
Did you trim it?
Change it now. They're going to change
Huh?
it. Like, oh, the vault's here, so that you guys should have it in place.
Probably.
Either I'm cool, but not only does that not make it.
Shake. Shake.
That was very kind.
That's a good boy.
Oh my.
Where's my kibbles and bits?
Good boy, stay. Good boy. Stay.
It doesn't have anything
Good, stay. Oh, good.